This latest hearing is about whether to return control of those troops back to Governor Newsom. And after such a lengthy pause in this case, U.S. District Judge Charles Breyer questioned why the Trump administration still needs the roughly 100 Guard members on the ground in L.A. 6 months after National Guard troops faced off with protesters in Los Angeles, the legal battle over their deployment beats on. During the Friday hearing, Judge Charles Breyer questioned the ongoing deployment, saying, quote, "No crisis lasts forever." The DOJ arguing the threat persists, saying, quote, "We cannot turn a blind eye to what happened in Los Angeles in June."
The National Guard is not the president's traveling private army.
After the hearing in San Francisco, California Attorney General Rob Bonta said he felt good about the state's case.
We feel very confident whenever we go to court. We are able to keep up with the president's lawlessness.
Arguing the president is violating the Posse Comitatus Act, an 1878 law that limits the military from acting as civilian law enforcement. Certain emergencies, such as a rebellion, are exceptions for when a president can use these powers.
It's a strong push for broad, if not unlimited, executive branch authority. I think Judge Breyer is going to say, look, there has to be a limit. There's no evidence that there's an inability to execute the laws. There's no evidence of any rebellion or danger of rebellion. And so you have to stop.
With additional ongoing lawsuits for Trump's moves to send the Guard into other major U.S. cities, Little speculates this might not be settled until the Supreme Court weighs in.
Somewhere along the way, they're going to rule in this case out of Chicago that's going to give us some further answers.
Breyer did not indicate how soon he will rule. And if Judge Breyer sides with California, expect the Trump administration to appeal that again to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. Karina, Ama.